Good morning. Welcome back to another video. As of right now, I'm on the way to IFO, Import Faceoff Official. It's at New England Dragway. It's a car show. They're going to be doing drag races, two-step competition, low car limbo, probably some other things. They got a bunch of vendors, bunch of cars, sold out all the tickets. It should be a good event. It's also up in New Hampshire, Epping, New Hampshire. Right now, I'm going to meet up with the homies. We're going to be convoying over to the show together. I forget exactly how many of us are going, honestly. Should be a pretty decent event. It's a beautiful day outside, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm hopefully going to be able to get some good footage of some cars, the homies' cars, maybe a little bit of my car, but we will see. We will see. Oh yeah, there was bird poop on my car. I'm pissed. Just cleaned it this morning too. So what happened here? What happened here? Tell me about it.
I broke it. It's gone.
That's
wait,
two
wait.
or how many?
Come with me.
How many? 2 or 3 now? Is that 2 or 3 now? 4. Oh, it's 4.
That's all that was left.
That's it?
That's all that was left.
What's this kid up to? What are you up to?
Comparing to my car.
What?
Comparing it to mine.
Ah, I see. How is your Z
Interior-wise.
interior?
I have more room than you do on the inside. But then the wheel.
Mad people here though. The line's crazy long to get in right now. Absolutely insane. Should be a pretty good event. It's hot out already, so we'll see how it goes though. But I'm gonna just sit in this line for probably 45 minutes now. RIP.
You don't know nothing about that.
Yeah, I figured out to crank up one side.
We've been waiting in line like we should, and these people cut the whole line, cutting a couple people off. This is crazy right now. It's 10:30. We got here at 9. We're still sitting in line. It is, but we'll see how the day continues. No worries. We just waited in line for over 2 hours. That was the there, bro. This is ridiculous. We're in here now, though.
A Porsche drove into that before you got here.
Everybody's flocking. Damn, son. This is sick. Maverick. You're good. No worries. Alrighty.
Porque yo estoy en la tumba que envenenado. Esto yo lo hice para que está chochado. De este vecino que está loco. Estoy como que me saca la loco. Todo lo que tengo encima lo exploto y la que se me cruce le rompo su. Ay. Hoy me voy con una. Porque yo quiero
Yeah, I need to do that too. I need to delete my rear windshield wiper. Because dude,
Force Induction Pro, All Motor Pro, Force Induction Sport, and 1150. Congratulations to Lindsay on passing her legislative dresses. Congratulations on that.
Damn. That's unfortunate. That's nothing like
money.
$12 uncooked fries.
Raw. Shout off IFO, bitch.
About to have a two-step comp right now. Let's see how it goes. Manny's in it with his Volkswagen, the GLI. This thing goes crazy. I ain't getting behind you, boy. How we doing? way here. IFO is not too shabby so far. The line was absolutely ridiculous. It is what it is. Good luck, guys.
Have fun.
Nah.
He goes, I can't. Yeah, see, it's the same thing.
All right, my guy. Good luck here. Good luck. How we doing, gentlemen? How we doing?
How are you?
Good, good. You guys are doing good out here.
Is it loud? Is it crazy? Yeah.
Yeah, the crowd loves you.
Hell yeah, man.
Who's going first? Me?
Yeah, good luck. GG either way.
Silver Volkswagen. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me hear it for the silver sedan. White Volkswagen. Good luck, boys. Good luck. Let them have it. Let them have it. Well, that was some good. That was some good competition. That was some good
That should
competition.
have been a one more time, but.
That's what I'm thinking. That was close, bro. haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. If you want to share the video too, I'd appreciate that even more. I ended up leaving a little bit earlier than the rest of the squad, but it's all right. It was a long day. So much two-stepping, I can't lie. I honestly have a little bit of a headache, and the sun was just, it was crazy today. There was not much for clouds, and there was a decent breeze, but it was a hot day for sure. But it was a pretty good event overall. Walked around a good amount. Manny was in the two-step comp. Pretty good event. Yeah, a long day. I'm on the highway right now. A little bit of traffic, nothing too crazy, but that's pretty much it for the video. IFO was pretty decent. It is what it is. Decent day overall though. Can't complain too much, so I'm gonna get back to driving. I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy the video. Peace.